Once upon a time, in a magical forest called Noorvan, there lived a kind and beautiful fairy named Lunara. She had shiny wings that sparkled like the moon. Whenever she flew, tiny flowers would grow, and the forest would glow with light. The forest was full of happy animals, singing birds, and talking trees. Everyone loved Lunara, because she helped others and kept the forest bright. But one night, something scary came. A big black cloud moved through the trees. It was the shadow monster. The shadow monster was made of dark smoke, and had red glowing eyes. Wherever it went, the flowers died, the sky turned grey, and everyone felt afraid. The queen of the fairies called all the fairies to a meeting. "The shadow monster is taking over our forest," she said. "We need someone brave to stop it." The fairies looked at each other. No one wanted to go. The monster was too scary. Then Lunara stood up. "I will go," she said. "I may be small, but I believe in light." The queen gave her a bag of moon dust and a glowing wand. "Be careful," she said. "Let your light guide you." Lunara flew into the dark part of the forest. It was cold. It was quiet. All the trees looked sad. She flew deeper and deeper, until she saw the monster. The shadow monster was huge. It had smoke for a body and long dark claws. "You cannot stop me," the monster growled. "I am fear. I live in every shadow." Lunara was scared, but she didn't run away. She flew high and threw the moon dust into the air. Her wings started to shine brighter and brighter. Then she said a soft fairy spell. "Light is stronger than fear. Hope is always near." The shadow monster roared and tried to catch her, but Lunara flew fast. Her light touched the monster's chest. Bit by bit, the darkness melted away. The monster cried and disappeared like smoke in the wind. The sun came out again. The flowers opened. The birds sang. Lunara flew back home. All the fairies clapped and cheered. The queen smiled and said, "You are not just beautiful, Lunara. You are brave." From that day on, whenever someone in Noorvan felt afraid, they remembered the little fairy who used her light to fight the dark.